Okay, here we begin. So yesterday we said Poisson distribution can be considered to be in two situations. One situation is direct Poisson. One situation is direct Poisson. This is when one value of m is given. One value of average m is given. And the second situation is binomial to Poisson. The second situation is binomial to Poisson. This is when n is large means n tends to infinity. P is small means p tends to 0. Generally when greater than 10 and m equal to np is less than or equal to 7 is a finite value. I convert the binomial to Poisson. Then remember, I want your complete concentration. Now look at me. Remember, in binomial distribution we said that there are three types of problems. There are three types of problems. Tell me, what are the three types of problems? What are the three types of problems? Three types of problems. एक होता है पत्नी, दूसरी होती है सास और तीसरा होता है साला. ऐसे तीन प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. पत्नी, सास और साला, ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. लेकिन यह सब सवालों का सॉल्यूशन कहाँ मिलता है? एक ही सॉल्यूशन है, तीन रोगों की एक दवा, और वो है साली. तीन रोगों की एक दवा, वो है साली. Okay, look at me. Look at me. Verga. One problem is find the probability. Find the probability. The second problem is, second type of problem is find the expected number. Is to find the expected number. And the third one is problems based on mean, variance, etc. Mean and variance, etc. Like in binomial, we had the three types of problems. In Poisson also we had the three types of problems. In Poisson also we had the three types of problems. What is the probability? Find the expected number and find the mean and variance. Of that, try to understand expected number is equal to the probability for 1. The probability for 1 into the total number. Probability for 1 into the total number. Thoda sa revision always is required. Like you had the problems in binomial, you had the similar looking problems in Poisson. अभी ये पहले प्रॉब्लम के लिए मेरे तरफ देखो. A company is known to manufacture 0.8% defective. Now tell me what is 0.8%. Tell me what is 0.8%. What is 0.8? Correct. Very good. That is the probability. Because probability is given, n must be given. N must be given. And tell me n is given to be what? How many blades are there in one packet? 100. And therefore what happens? Actually x follows binomial way. N is 100 and P is 0.8% means 0.8 over 100. 92 हो गया. 92 हो गया. But n is 100 which is greater than 10. So I try m equal to np, and m equal to np is 100 into 0.8 over 100, which is equal to 0.8. Now this is less than or equal to 7. Therefore x follows Poisson with m is 0.8. बाद में ये तुमको समझा है क्या? Now they are asking you number of packets. They are asking you number of packets. But tell me number of packets means what? How do you find the number of packets? How do you find the number of packets? How do you find the number of packets? The number of packets is equal to probability for one packet. Probability for one packet, and that multiplied by total number of packets. and this total number of packets is given to be 10,000 हो गया, कहो ना समझ गए। अभी ये एक पैकेट के लिए बाइनोमियल था, फिर इसको हमने पॉइसन में कन्वर्ट किया, इसको हमने पॉइसन में कन्वर्ट किया। Now I want your complete concentration. You want exactly two defectives. You want exactly two defectives. Means what? Means what you want to find is probability of x is 2. Means is e raised to minus 0.8. Then this is 0.8 raised to 2 and that over 2 factorial. But e raised to minus 0.8 you can write down that I am reading from these tables. E raised to minus 0.8 is 0.4493, ये इधर दिया है देखो, e raised to minus 0.8 is 0.4493. So you can write down here, this will be given to you in the problem, e raised to minus 0.8 is equal to 0.4493. हो बेटा मान लो, ये तुमको समझा है, ये उन्होंने दिया है, तो कैन यू डू इट नाउ? तो अब तुम करेंगे क्या अपना अपना? तो अब तुम अपना अपना करेंगे क्या? So this is equal to 0.4493. 0.4493. This is probability for one packet. This is the probability for one packet. Now expected number of packets is equal to this probability for one packet 4493 and that multiplied by total number is 10,000. It happens to be 4493. So what it means is that out of 10,000 packets in all, 4493 contain exactly two defectives. Contain, well, ये calculation क्या है बोलो? Some problem. Some problem. ये calculation बोलो कितना आया है? 0.8 raised to 2 over 2 factorial into 0.4493. Calculation बोलो. Is 0.1437. Is 0.1437. So 0.1437 into 1000 and that happens to be 1437. Therefore 1437 contain exactly two defectives. Contain exactly two defectives. ये इसका मीनिंग हो गया। अब तुम इसको पूरा करो and think of the next one. And think of the next one. हमने तुमको समय दिया है. Think of the next one. समय दिया है. किसी को कोई शक है तो अनम्यूट कर सकते हो. किसी को कोई शक है तो फिर अनम्यूट कर सकते हो. करो पटकन. Go get it fast. Go get it fast. बराबर ना? साला ये प्रॉब्लम होता है ना, सुंदर ने का प्रॉब्लम जेठालाल के लिए. सुंदर है भी प्रॉब्लम ही है ना जेठालाल के लिए. हाँ ना. करो पटकन. करो तुम पटकन. सेकंड प्रॉब्लम के लिए तुमको टाइम दिया है एटलीस्ट टू डिफेक्टिव्स. एटलीस्ट टू डिफेक्टिव्स के लिए हमने तुमको वर्क दिया है. हमने दिया है वक्त, तो आपको बनना है सख्त. हम जब देते हैं वक्त, आपको बनना है सख्त. करो पटकन. करो पटकन. एटलीस्ट टू डिफेक्टिव्स. नाउ एटलीस्ट टू डिफेक्टिव्स का मतलब क्या है? एटलीस्ट टू डिफेक्टिव्स का मतलब है 2 3 4 5 infinity. It's from 2 3 4 5 x is greater than or equal to 2. But I can write this as 1 minus probability of 0 plus probability of 1. So what it means is this is 1 minus, this is e raised to minus 0.8, this is 0.8 raised to 0 and that over 0 factorial, and plus e raised to minus 0.8, 0.8 raised to 1 over 1 factorial. So this is 1 minus, this is 0.4493 can be taken common, and then it is 1 plus 0.8. ये कैलकुलेशन करो तो फिर ये प्रोबेबिलिटी मिलेगी. So it's 1 minus 0.4493 and that into 1.8. This will be the answer. Tell me how much is that. Tell me how much is that. 1 minus करके बोलो कितना आता है. 1 minus करके बोलो कितना आता है. हाँ, 1 माइनस करके बोलो ये कितना आता है. 0.19126, 0.19126, 0.19126, and therefore the expected number is there is 0.19126 and that into 10,000, that happens to be 1912.6. Approximately you can say 1913, because number of packets cannot be a fraction now. Number of packets cannot be a fraction, so you have to round it off. बाळांनो तुमको समझा है क्या? तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? हाँ, okay. Now third one, we have done a question like this earlier. तो करो. Acceptance is for 0, 1, 2, but they want rejection. So for the third problem, you have to tell me acceptance is for what? At most 2. Now at most 2 means what? Acceptance is for 0 and 2. Acceptance is for 0 and 2, but they want rejection. So rejection का मतलब होगा 3, 4 up till infinity. So they want rejection, therefore we want probability of x is greater than or equal to 3, means 1 minus probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2, and that would be equal to 1 minus e raised to minus 0.8 and 0.8 raised to 0 and over 0 factorial, plus e raised to minus 0.8 and 0.8 raised to 1 over 1 factorial, and plus e raised to minus 0.8 and 0.8 raised to 2 over 2 factorial. अभी ये e raised to minus 0.8 can be taken common. This can be taken common and then you can do the calculation. So this is 0.4493 taken common. This is 1. This is 0.8 and this is 0.64 over 2. अभी ये calculation तुम मेरे को बोलो. Go do these calculations and tell me. Ishika Bhai will require this in 12th standard as well. Yash, Ishika. तन्वी आएगा? तन्वी भी आए लेक्चर में? तन्वी गुंजान आएगा? So you may all require this in 12th standard as well. LPP के प्रॉब्लम समझ रहे हैं क्या? यश LPP से प्रॉब्लम कर रहे कबाड़ा. So this is 0.0475. Final answer you're telling me or what? You're telling me the final answer 1 minus करके आदित्य. So this is 0.0475. And therefore this expected number is equal to, this is 0.0475, that into 10,000, and that is equal to 475. So what it means is out of what it means is out of 10,000 packets, 475 are rejected. 475 are rejected. 475 are rejected. बड़ा नो ओवर, ये तुमको समझाएगा। अभी यहाँ एक देखने की चीज है, यहाँ एक देखने की चीज ऐसी है कि देखो मेरे तरफ कि ये 2 के बाद है ना, व्हाट प्रोबेबिलिटी, एक मिनट है जब मेरे तरफ, मेरे को पूरा करने दो। ये जो प्रोबेबिलिटी वो मिली है वो 3 और 3 के बाद मिला है। सो 3 और 3 के बाद प्रोबेबिलिटी इतनी छोटी है 0.04, तो शुरू में प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा है। कोई भी प्रॉब्लम निकाल के देखो, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम निकाल के देखो, यहां भी वैसे ही होता है। 0.1 की प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत ज्यादा है, तो 1 माइनस करके प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत छोटी हो गई 0.19। तो ये पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में शुरू में प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा होती है और फिर प्रोबेबिलिटी कम होती है। सो इसका जो शेप होगा वो इस तरीके से होगा कि शुरू में प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा है और फिर बाद में प्रोबेबिलिटी कम है। And tell me, this kind of curve is known as what? We have done in measures ventral tendency and dispersion. जहां टॉप लेफ्ट को है, जहां टॉप लेफ्ट को है, इसको क्या कहते हैं? ये टॉप लेफ्ट को है तो इसको क्या कहते हैं? This is called positively skewed curve. This is the positively skewed curve. And therefore, Poisson curve is the positive. ये बाद में हम लिखेंगे, अभी मत लिखो, अभी मत लिखो, बाद में हम नोट्स में थ्योरी में लिखेंगे, लेकिन फिलहाल जस्ट समझो ये हो गया पॉजिटिवली स्क्यूड। और अगर ये कर्व अभी वो नहीं आता है ऐसे, वो बात अलग है, लेकिन अगर ये ऐसा होता तो दैट इज नेगेटिवली स्क्यूड, और ये अगर दोनों भी सेम है तो फिर सिमेट्री। ये हमने देखा है, ये हमने देखा है, ये हमने देखा है, बराबर ना यार, हो कि नहीं? ये सिमेट्रिक कर्व हो गया। तो ये किसके जैसे दिखता है? ये अब किसके जैसे दिखता है? लिपस्टिक लगाया है ऐसा लगता है, लिपस्टिक लगाया है ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं? ओके, ये तुम्हारा हो गया है क्या? We'll write these notes slightly later, but at present just keep this in mind that it is positively skewed in case of Poisson. Now I want concentration for the second problem here in. For the second problem here in, I am ready to give you time. Come on, start. It is known as on an average 1.8 taxi drivers meet an accident. 1.8 taxi drivers meet an accident. मेरे ख्याल से बेटा, मेरे ख्याल से ये तुमको जमेगा, तो मैं रब करता हूँ यहाँ से I will rub and you have to do it on your own, but you just have to take down the value that e raised to minus 1.8 is equal to, this is 0.1653, 0.1653। तो यहाँ देखो और फिर करो, this value will be given to you in the paper। भारी है कि नहीं? ये एकदम भारी आता है कि नहीं? एकदम टाइप रिटन फॉर्म में आता है कि नहीं? करो अभी स्टार्ट। हमने तुमको वर्क दिया है, तुम इसको करो। So since only one value of mean m is given, is direct Poisson anyway. But before that, you have to understand how many days means you have to find the expected number of days. Means you have to find the expected number of days. and expected number of days is probability for 1 day, is the probability for 1 day into total number of days. So tell me total number of days we consider to be how many? 30 days in a week, 30 days in a month. And for this 1 day, this X follows Poisson wheel, M is 1.8. बाकी कुछ नहीं, बाकी काही नहीं. Just find the probabilities and multiply by 30, you get an answer. Go try it now. करो तुम पटकन. तुम इसको करो. तुम इसको करो. तुम इसको करो. Number of days cannot be a fraction. Remember, number of days cannot be a fraction. So you have to round it off. You need to round it off. करो बाळांनो. तुम इसको करो. मी काय केलं आता माहिती का? मैंने अभी क्या किया पता है क्या तुमको? मैंने अभी क्या किया? मैंने ये आईपैड को शॉवर दिया. शॉवर शॉवर दिया मैंने उनको, नहलाया और वैसे ही रहा है. हाँ. Okay. Okay. Then come on, do the short problems. That is the third variation, third type of problem in binomial as well as Poisson. Short problems. करो. Short problems. Short problems ऐसे होते हैं कि ऊपर फिर बैग रखनी पड़ती है. शॉर्ट पहनेंगे तो ऊपर फिर बैग रखनी पड़ती है. ये शॉर्ट प्रॉब्लम है. है कि नहीं? ये है शॉर्ट प्रॉब्लम. करो. क्या दिया है? क्या दिया है? X is a Poisson variable with probability of X is 3. Come on. Probability of X is 3 is equal to probability of X is 4. So e raised to minus m, m हमको पता नहीं, m raised to 3 over 3 factorial. This is e raised to minus m, m raised to 4 over 4 factorial. This will be cut. So 4 factorial over 3 factorial will be m raised to 4 and over m raised to 3. Therefore, m will be equal to 4. Hence, that m is equal to 4. मान लो ये तुमको समझाएंगे. 4 factorial over 3 factorial. 4 factorial over 3 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 factorial over 3 factorial will cut. Here m cube will cut and you will get m equal to 4. ये तुमको समझाए क्या? हाँ, अभी एक नोट यहाँ तुम मेरे तरफ देखो. Tell me, before we start with this problem, actually we should discuss it, but anyway, look at me. My question to you is, tell me what is the mean of binomial distribution? Tell me what is the mean of binomial distribution? What is the mean of binomial distribution? And what is the mean of Poisson distribution? Here this is NP and here this is M. So these must be equal. These must be equal. But then my question is, tell me what is variance of binomial? Tell me what is the variance of binomial? NPQ. But just now we said, एक मिनट मेरे तरफ देखो. Just now we said that binomial becomes Poisson. Binomial becomes Poisson. Then n must tend to infinity, means it will be very large. P must tend to 0. मतलब वो 0 को करीब होना चाहिए. अगर P tends to 0, it means Q must tend to 1. क्योंकि P plus Q is 0, P plus Q is 1 की नहीं. तो P 0 होता है तो ये Q approximately 1 होना पड़ेगा. तो ये Q को approximately 1 होना पड़ेगा. तो अगर Q 1 हो गया तो फिर ये NP ही रहेगा. But NP means mean. NP means mean M. यारे इसलिए variance is also M. Variance is also M. मैंने तुमको रीजन बताया. लेकिन रीजन अगर तुम्हारे कैपेसिटी के बाहर का है तो यू कैन इग्नोर इट. देन यू कैन इग्नोर इट and you can keep the last sentence in mind. The last sentence in mind that in case of Poisson distribution, mean is M, variance is also M. So in case of Poisson distribution, mean is M, variance is M. So mean is equal to variance is equal to M. And therefore tell me standard deviation is what? Tell me standard deviation would be what? That will be root of M. So for Poisson distribution, mean and variance are equal. For Poisson distribution, mean and variance are equal. So they are asking you what is the mean and what is the variance. So in this case, mean is M and that is 4. Variance is also M and that is 4. So standard deviation sigma is root of M means 2. Now they are asking you coefficient of variation. Tell me coefficient of variation is what? It is sigma over S bar into 100, but sigma is 2, mean is 4, that into 100. So this is 50%. Therefore this is 50%. इसको अच्छे तरीके से समझो कि for Poisson distribution, mean and variance are equal. For Poisson distribution, mean and variance are equal, and mean equal to variance equal to M. Mean and variance दोनों भी M ही होते हैं. इसको समझो. ये तुमको समझाया क्या? ये तुमको समझाया क्या? मान नो हो मैडम. ये तुमको समझाया क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? अब ये नेक्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन तुम अपना अपना करेंगे क्या? ये नेक्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन तुम अपना अपना करेंगे क्या? This next question would you try on your own? Next question, would you try on your own? Home and one. Would you try this question on your own? करो. Determine the variance of Poisson distribution if probability of x is k is probability of x is k plus 1. It's a similar looking question. तुम इसको करो. Probability of x is k is probability of x is k plus 1. बारा नो तुम इसको करो. तुम इसको करो. तुम इसको करो. हमने तुमको वक्त दिया है. हमने तुमको वक्त दिया है. तुम इसको करो. हमने तुमको वक्त दिया है. तुम इसको करो. तुम इसको करो. Probability of x is k is probability of x is k plus 1. Probability of x is k is probability of x is k plus 1. I want your concentration quickly. Is probability of x is equal to k plus 1. तुम इसको करो. Go start now. So what it means is probability of x is k means e raised to minus m. It's m raised to k, that over k factorial. And this is equal to e raised to minus m raised to k plus 1, and that over k plus 1 factorial. So what it means is e raised to minus m is called. This is k plus 1 factorial over this is k factorial is m raised to k plus 1 and over m raised to k. But remember, k plus 1 factorial means k plus 1 into k factorial. That divided by k factorial. This is m raised to k plus 1 means m into m raised to k. And that m raised to k is called. And you get m is k plus 1. And that k plus 1 is mean. Same k plus 1 is variance. Same k plus 1 is the variance. Is the variance. Ho assumption. Good question. Good questions. Similar questions are expected in MCQ format. छोटे छोटे questions. बड़े बड़े question के लिए ज़्यादा time लगता है. They are not very handy for the paper setters. See, these kind of questions, short questions, are more convenient. करो. अभी ये तीसरा question is the beauty of question. This question is the beauty of question. इसके तरफ नीट देखो. इसके तरफ अच्छी तरीके से देखो. क्या दिया है? What is given? Given that probability of x is 2 is 9 times probability of x is 4 and plus 90 times probability of x is 6. But tell me what is probability of x is 2? Tell me what is probability of x is 2? It's e raised to minus m raised to 2 over 2 factorial. This is 9 times e raised to minus m raised to 4 over 4 factorial, and that plus 90 times e raised to minus m raised to 6 over 6 factorial. कुछ भी सोचने की बात नहीं है. I am just putting the values. But tell me, can e raised to minus m be taken common in the RHS? So e raised to minus m into m raised to 2 over 2. E raised to minus m is out. Is 9 into m raised to 4 over 4 factorial is 24. And plus, this is 90 m raised to 6 over 720. That means this e raised to m is what? M square upon 2 equal to this. तो अभी थोड़ा सा इसको सिंप्लीफिकेशन किया जा सकता है. This is m square by 2 is equal to, this is 3 m raised to 4 over 8 and plus this is also m raised to 6 and that over 8. अभी कोई भी लिखेगा नहीं और कोई भी लिखेगी नहीं. This question otherwise is in 12th standard, it could be a 4 marks question. But we had to solve it in less than 1 minute. So what I will do is I will go for answer to question. Tricks we have been using in all the chapters. I go from answer to question. So tell me the first choice is what? The first choice is m equal to 2. Now LHS is equal to, this is 2 square over 2, means this is just 2. And RHS is equal to, this is 3 by 8, 2 raised to 4 is 16, and plus 2 raised to 6 is 64 over 8. But surely this is not equal to RHS. Surely this is not going to be equal to 2. अभी थोड़ा सा मेरे तरफ देखो, कोई लिखेगा नहीं, सिर्फ मेरे तरफ देखो. Tell me, in binomial and Poisson distributions, have a complete concentration. In binomial and Poisson distributions, tell me x values are what? Tell me, in binomial and Poisson distributions, both the distributions, x values are what? X values are what? So in binomial and Poisson distributions, x values are 0, 1, 2, etc. So they are non-negative values. They are non-negative values. These values are non-negatives. And they are not fractions. They are not fractions. Bullets fired, customers coming, cannot be a fraction. 1.4 customers cannot arrive at a bank. 1.6 bullets cannot hit the target. So they are non-negative, not fractions, whole numbers they are. But अगर मैंने इसका मीन निकाला तो मीन और एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स दैट कैन बी फ्रैक्शन. दैट कैन बी फ्रैक्शन. जरा मेरे तरफ देखो, ये इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरी है. टुडे वन कस्टमर कम्स, टुमारो टू कम, then average of that is 1.5. So mean can be 1.5. X cannot be 1.5, but mean can be a fraction. थोड़ा सा रिस्पॉन्स दो ना, थोड़ा सा रिस्पॉन्स दो. काय बेटेगा, अगर तुमने रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया तो फिर मेरे को लगता है कि तुमको कुछ समझा नहीं है. Then I get upset because I want you to understand. So mean can be a fraction, but tell me, can the mean of positive numbers be negative? Can average of positive numbers be negative? No. And therefore it can be fraction, but surely it cannot be negative. Surely it cannot be a negative number. And therefore x can be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Mean can be, average can be fraction. Average can be fraction, but cannot be negative. But it can't be negative. And therefore the second choice given m equal to -1 is directly invalid. That is invalid. ये directly तुम कह सकते हैं कि mean cannot be negative. Now C choice is m equal to 1. So tell me LHS is equal to what? It is 1 square by 2, means 1 by 2. RHS would be what? It will be 3 by 8 into 1 plus 1 by 8. So this is 4 by 8, which is also 1 by 8. So LHS equal to RHS, and hence we confirm the C choice M equal to 1. We confirm, वैसे M equal to -1 के लिए B होगा, M equal to -1 के लिए B होगा, M equal to -1, but it is invalid value, it's absurd value, and therefore M equal to 1 is confirmed. Good question that is. Good question that is, and a good way of approaching that problem we had developed. So LHS is equal to RHS, but उसके पहले ये नोट लिखो फिर प्रॉब्लम करो. First write this note and then do the problem. First write this note and then do the problem. हो मॅडम, हो असं मॅडम, हो असं नसतं म्हणायचं, हो एवढंच म्हणायचं. तुला पाहिजे का? ये चाहिए क्या तुमको? आवड़ा सुपारी तुमको चाहिए क्या? आवड़ा सुपारी? बेबी को ऐसे कुड़कुड़ा रहता है, वो पता है क्या तुमको? कुड़कुड़ा ये तुम्हारे लिए कुड़कुड़ा, तुम छोटे छोटे हैं तो. करो. करो प्रॉब्लम को करो. तुम इसको करो. तुम इसको करो. बाळांनो तुम इसको करो. Zainab. Zainab. What a good name. What a beautiful name, Zainab. I liked it. नहीं कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं. नाम अच्छा है, सिर्फ हमने नाम की तारीफ की, आपकी नहीं की. हमने उस नाम की तारीफ की, आपकी नहीं. आपकी तारीफ करेंगे रिजल्ट के बाद, अभी नहीं. आपकी तारीफ करेंगे रिजल्ट लगने के बाद. हो गया क्या तुमका? ये तुमका हो गया क्या? तो फिर अभी तुम ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को करो. तुम अभी इस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को करो. दैट इज अनदर ब्यूटी ऑफ क्वेश्चन. करो. दैट इज अनदर ब्यूटी ऑफ क्वेश्चन. करो पटकन. Each question is a gem of question. Each question is a beautiful question. करो. Each question is the beautiful question. Probability of non-zero value of the distribution is this. Tell me, what do you mean by probability of non-zero value? Tell me, what is the probability of non-zero value? इशिका, तुमने कैसे पहचाना? इशिका, तुमने कैसे पहचाना? So this means probability of not zero, and therefore this is equal to 1 minus probability of 0 is 1 minus e raised to minus 2.5. But remember that 1 could be covered. ये 1 minus and minus that could be covered. So probability of 0 is e raised to minus 2.5. So e raised to minus m raised to 0 over 0 factorial is e raised to minus 2.5. So e raised to minus m is e raised to minus 2.5. So m is 2.5 over now. So this m is 2.5. And then the standard deviation is equal to, that is equal to root m, means that is equal to root of 2.5. Please understand, every question is a solid question. Every question is a strong question. हाँ, ये हो सकता है कि 2.5 की जगह 1.5 हो सकता है, 1.6 हो सकता है, लेकिन टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विल नॉट चेंज इट फॉर श्योर. हो गया है क्या? तुमका हो गया है क्या? तो फिर अभी तुम इस क्वेश्चन को ट्राई करो. आई एम गिविंग यू द टाइम. That the coefficient of variation in Poisson distribution is 50%, then what is the mean? Karo. Start. Coefficient of variation in case of Poisson distribution is 50%. What is the mean of the distribution? Karo. मैंने देखा नहीं क्या ज़ैनब के नाम के बारे में क्या लिखा है. I didn't see that. Could not read that message. Zainab was name of Prophet Muhammad's eldest daughter. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. But you are the eldest daughter or youngest daughter of your dad, Zainab. That Zainab was the name of the Prophet Muhammad's eldest daughter. You are eldest daughter or youngest daughter? Or only daughter? करो अभी तुम स्टार्ट फटको. तुम अभी करो. I don't know. We have to check. So coefficient of variation is equal to, this is sigma over x bar into 100, but sigma is root m and the mean is m. That into 100 is equal to 50. So what it means is root of m over m is 50 over 100. But remember, m can be written as root m. M can be written as root of m into root of m. And that is 1 by 2. So your root m will be cut. And hence you get root of m is 2. So m is 4. And that is mean. And that is variance. So 4 is correct, Khushi. 40,000 वगैरह कैसे आएगा? 4,000, 40,000, Janavi. Can mean be 40,000. We said that this m value is there up till 7 only. वो 50%, तो ये 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है मतलब वो 50% ही होता है. अरे ये 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है मतलब वो 50% ही हो गया. It's not 50 upon 100. It's not 50 upon 100. When you are multiplying by 100, you are getting that in terms of percentage. You are getting that in terms of percentage. Please. Array, when you are multiplying by 100, से सिग्मा ओवर एक्स बार अगर करते तो फिर वो पॉइंट में आता, और सिग्मा ओवर एक्स बार इंटू 100 करते हैं तो फिर इट्स एट दिस परसेंटेज ना, तो 50% दिया है इंटू 100 किया तो ये परसेंटेज 50 ही होगा, तो व्हाट आई डन इज करेक्ट। तुम करो। And then comes a very good question. Here comes a very good question. Here comes a very good question. I think you should be able to do it on your own. That 6 question, I hope and expect that you will do it on your own. हम कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, हम कुछ भी नहीं बोलेंगे, तुम करो, तुम इसको करो। तुम इसको करो। हम जब छोटे थे तो ऐसे वो पेपरमिंट की गोली मिलती थी, एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रॉन्ग नाम की गोलियां मिलती थी, वो ऐसी रहती थी, पिंक येलो ग्रीन, एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रॉन्ग। करो, तुम इसको करो। Probability of minus 1.8 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2.1 when standard deviation is root of 1.5. So by the way, try to understand standard deviation is root of. So what is standard deviation of Poisson distribution? Standard deviation of Poisson distribution is nothing but root of m. That is equal to root of 1.5. So m is equal to 1.5. ये पहला पार्ट तुमको समझा है, ये पहला पार्ट तुमको समझा है क्या? ये पहला पार्ट तुमको समझा है क्या? हो मैडम। Now we want probability of minus 1.8 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2.1. But remember, x cannot be negative or fraction. X cannot be negative or fraction. So what they want is like this. कहीं तो भी इधर है minus 1.8, इधर होगा 0. Here somewhere it is 2.1. And what you want is the region inside. What you want is the region inside this. What you want is the region inside this. Verona, what you want is the region inside this. So it's from minus 1.8 to 2.1. I want the region inside. But अभी मेरा तुमसे सवाल यह है कि नेगेटिव और फ्रैक्शन अलाउड नहीं है. So tell me which all values are allowed. Somewhere here is 1, somewhere here is 2. So which all values are allowed? 0, 1, 2. So the only integral values are allowed. You can write there. X cannot be negative or fraction means it can be only the integral values. They can be only the integral values. And therefore this is probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2 means e raised to minus 1.5 into 1.5 raised to 0 over 0 factorial plus e raised to minus 1.5 raised to 1 over 1 factorial and plus e raised to minus 1.5 raised to 2 over 2 factorial. बट ये e raised to minus 1.5 की वैल्यू है, ये तुम्हारे बुक में है, टेबल दिया है मैंने तुमको. e raised to minus 1.5 की वैल्यू है 0.2231. That value is 0.2231. You can write it. You can write it. You can write it somewhere. Write down e raised to minus 1.5 is 0.2231. इसको लिखो. Is 0.223. And therefore this value is going to be equal to, hence this value is going to be equal to 0.2231 taken common. This is 1 plus 1.5 and plus 1.5 square over 2 factorial. Tell me how much is the value. Tell me how much is the value finally. 0.8087. 0.8087. Abhi you can understand for 0, 1, 2 only this probability is 80%. For 0, 1, 2 only the probability is 80%. So initially the probability is very high. Therefore it is a positively skewed curve. शुरू में ही probability ज़्यादा होती है. Okay, now try this. I'm giving you the time. Try this. We have done this kind of questions in binomial. तो आप इसको कर सकते हैं और आप इसको करेंगे. आप इसको करेंगे कि माना आपको इसको करना ही पड़ेगा. आप प्रॉब्लम करेंगे. आप प्रॉब्लम जरूर करेंगे कि माना आप प्रॉब्लम करेंगे और आपको प्रॉब्लम करना ही पड़ेगा. ऐसा कौन बोलते हैं? ऐसे कौन बोलते हैं? ऐसा कौन बोलता? उद्धव ठाकरे द चीफ मिनिस्टर स्पीक्स लाइक दॅट. आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेम करायचा आहे. आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेम करावाच लागेल. किंबहुना आपण प्रॉब्लेम करणार आहोत. आपण प्रॉब्लेम करणार आहोत. और मोदी जी कैसे बोलते हैं? मोदी जी बोलेंगे, मित्रों ये प्रॉब्लम आपको करने को दिया है और तुम प्रॉब्लम करेंगे. हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि इस देश के 125 करोड़ लोगों को किसी को भी प्रॉब्लम दिया तो भी ये प्रॉब्लम हल हो जाएगा. मित्रों 125 करोड़ के देश में किसी को भी ये प्रॉब्लम देंगे तो भी सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा. और राहुल गांधी कैसे बोलेंगे? राहुल गांधी कैसे बोलेंगे? राहुल गांधी बोलेंगे ये प्रॉब्लम जो दिया है पता नहीं ये प्रॉब्लम क्यों देते हैं. उन्होंने तो सॉल्यूशन देना चाहिए. आप सॉल्यूशन दो, हम प्रॉब्लम तैयार करेंगे. आप सॉल्यूशन दो, हम प्रॉब्लम तैयार करेंगे. तो मोदी जी मेरा आपसे ये निवेदन है बदल दो इस एग्जाम सिस्टम को, सॉल्यूशन दो, स्टूडेंट्स अपना अपना प्रॉब्लम तैयार करेंगे। आणि मनमोहन सिंग जे कसे बोलतील, मनमोहन सिंह के कैसे बोलेंगे? साइलेंट रहेंगे मतलब मनमोहन सिंह बोलते हैं ना, मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला मतलब मनमोहन सिंह ने बोला। लालू प्रसाद कैसे बोलेंगे? इस प्रॉब्लम को देख के हमारा खून खौल जाता है, इस प्रॉब्लम को देख के हमारा खून खौल जाता है। करो बाळांनो पटकन. I used to act in the professional place. For information, all of you, I was acting in the professional plays in Marathi. मोरूची मावशी, घरात हसरे तारे. Some popular plays are there. करो अब तुम पटकन, अब तुम पटकन करो. Oh, मराठी में तुमको नहीं समझेगा. I used to act in the Marathi plays. Half of the class does not understand Marathi. क्या समझेगा? वेरी नाइस. ओके, तो अभी ये नेक्स्ट वाला प्रॉब्लम तुम्हारा हो गया है क्या? ये नेक्स्ट वाला प्रॉब्लम तुमका हो गया है क्या? दिस इज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x is less than or equal to 3 given x is greater than or equal to 1. So what it means is probability of x is less than or equal to 3 intersection x is greater than or equal to 1, and that divided by, this is probability of x is greater than or equal to 1. But remember, what it means is that you have to understand a common region. Here is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, etc. And this is 4. Now, less than or equal to 3. Listen, less than or equal to 3 is going to be left of 3, is going to be towards left of 3. Less than or equal to 3 is going to be to the left of 3, is going to be towards the left of 3. And greater than or equal to 1 means is going to be 1 and rightward towards infinity. And therefore, what is the common region? And you can very easily now understand and can see that this region is the common region. This in between region is the common region that you want. This is the common region. And tell me, in this common region, what are the values? That in this common region, you have got 1, 2, 3. You have got 1, 2, 3. समझा ना तुमको? And therefore, this is equal to. Hence, this is equal to. This is probability of 1 plus probability of 2 this probability of 3 and that divided by, this is 1 minus probability of 0. So this is equal to e raised to minus 1.5. 1.5 raised to 0, rather 1 over 1 factorial, plus e raised to minus 1.5. 1.5 raised to 2 over 2 factorial, and plus e raised to minus 1.5. 1.5 raised to 2, 3 over 3 factorial, over 3 factorial. And that divided by, this is 1 minus e raised to minus 1.5. 1.5 raised to 0 over 0 factorial. तो ये मैंने 0.2231 को कॉमन निकाला. So this is 0.2231 and that into, this is 1.5 plus 1.5 का square over 2 plus 1.5 का cube, that over 6, and then this is 1 minus 0.2231. 2231. That's it. Calculation you can do. The calculations you can do. Denominator term is greater than or equal to 1. म्हणजे 1 minus 0. समृद्धी. Probability of x is greater than or equal to 1. म्हणजे probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus etc. That is 1 minus probability of 0. तुम्हारे बैच के वजह से मेरा हिंदी अच्छा हो गया. तुमको पता है क्या? तुम्हारे बैच की वजह से मेरा हिंदी सुधर गया, क्योंकि इंग्लिश बोल के कंटाळा आता है, मराठी बोल नहीं सकता, तो रहा चॉइस हिंदी का, तो मेरा हिंदी सुधर गया. समृद्धि समझा क्या तुमको? समृद्धि तुमको समझा क्या? Greater than or equal to 1. अरे, what is the definition? What is the formula for probability of A given B, Mana? What is the probability for A given B? Is probability of A intersection B and over probability of B. You are forgetting the very formula of conditional probability. क्यों लिया? मतलब ये फॉर्मूला में है इसलिए लिया. कार्तिक, रॉक, कैसा होएगा? फाइनल आंसर निकालो कितना होता है. अरे तू क्या फीस लेगी बेटा? तू क्या फीस लेगी? तू अगर मेरे से फी लेना चाहती है तो मैं तेरे केमिकल इंजीनियर को किडनैप करूंगा. केमिकल इंजीनियर को किडनैप करूंगा. किडनैप का मीनिंग क्या होता है पता है क्या तुमको? एक छोटा सा बच्चा सो गया है, किडनैप. बच्चा नैप ले रहा है, सो गया. हो गया क्या तुमका? ये प्रॉब्लम तुमका हो गया क्या भारत में? ये प्रॉब्लम तुमका हो गया है क्या? तो फिर अब हम तुमको couple of problems extra देते हैं. Questions like these are there in the module. थोड़ा सा स्पेस बना लो, कहीं तो भी जगह बना लो, कहीं तो भी जगह बना लो. जगह बना लो आपके कागज पे, और जगह नहीं बना सकते कागज पे तो जगह बना लो अपने दिल में. Take down the question. Take down the question. Start. If following is the frequency distribution. 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 Fit binomial distribution to it. Fit the binomial distribution. Fit the binomial distribution. अभी समझने की कोशिश करो, कोई बोलेगा नहीं. Fitting the binomial distribution. बता, पहले डेटा लिखो. X 0 1 2 3 4. Frequency 10 15 20 12 18. अभी तुम जरा मेरी तरफ देखो कि when I say fit the binomial distribution or fit the Poisson distribution, when I say fit the distribution, to fit the distribution means to find the values of parameters, means to find the parameters, to find the values of the parameters. ये कहीं तो भी लिखो. Fit the distribution means to find the parameters, to find the parameters of the distribution. So you have to fit the binomial means actually you have to find the parameters. अब ये कैसे करना है इसके लिए तुम मेरी तरफ देखो. ये कैसे करना है इसके लिए तुम मेरी तरफ देखो. My question is, tell me in binomial distribution x values go from where to where? In binomial distribution x values go from where to where? अभी कोई लिखेगा नहीं, मैं तुमको टाइम दूंगा नंतर लिखने के लिए. अभी पहले मेरी तरफ देखो. Tell me in binomial distribution x values go from where to where? Those x values are 0 1 2 3 4 up till n. So the maximum value is n. So the maximum value of x is n. Maximum value of x is n. बाळांनो थोड़ा सा मेरे तरफ ध्यान दो. Because the maximum value of x is n. In our example, that value is given to be 4. So in our example, the maximum value of x, that maximum value of x is n and is given to be 4. So n is directly 4. Hence n is directly given to be 4. एक मिनट तुम मेरे तरफ देखो. Now remember, mean is equal to, in such case, tell me what is the formula for the mean? When the observations and frequencies are given, what is the formula for the mean? बोलो ना, वो एंटी बाइनोमियल का हो गया, लेकिन what is the formula for the mean? What is the formula for the mean of frequency distribution? Yes, very good. It is take total fx and upon capital N. But in our example, in binomial distribution, this mean is NP. In binomial distribution, this mean is NP. बाळांनो इकडे बघा. So what I had to do is I had to make the columns x, f, fx, take total. This is summation fx. Then this is take total, summation f. And you can find the mean. You can find the mean. Now x1 p1 is in probability, Shika. x1 p1 is in probability. ये frequencies दिया है, probability नहीं दिया है. So tell me now what is this summation fx and summation f? Beautiful question, and it can come in the paper. Believe me, it can come in the paper, because in last at least 8 or 10 attempts question like this is not been asked. It has not been asked in the exam, so it is highly possible that you'll find this in some of your attempts. So 163 over summation f कितना है, म्हणजे कैपिटल N, वो कितना है? 75. So 163 over 75, n is 4 and that into p. And therefore 163 that divided by 4 into 75 is the value of p. कितना सोपा है देखो, कितना आसान है देखो, पर एक बार टेक्निक पता होना चाहिए. So this p comes to be 0.5433. This p comes to be 0.5433. So we have got an answer. We have picked the distribution that this n is 4 and p is 0.5433. Check and confirm. This is 0.5433. हो बराबर, एकदम इजी है, वेरी इजी. बट टाइप पता होना चाहिए कि नहीं तुमको, टाइप पता होना चाहिए कि नहीं तुमको. तो टाइप लेना ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, वो मेरी ड्यूटी है. हर टाइप का एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस करना ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है और हम हमारी जिम्मेदारी को पूरी तरीके से समझते हैं. आपको जिम्मेदारी आपकी इतनी है कि जो पता है उसको कंसोलिडेट करो, इसको रिवाइज करो, रिपीट करो. दैट इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. एक मार्क फुकट में मिल जाता है ना, एक मार्क फुकट में मिल जाता है. करो और एक क्वेश्चन करो तुम, और एक क्वेश्चन हम तुमको क्वेश्चन देते हैं. हो गया क्या तुमका? राइटो, राइटो दे, लिखो तसं राइटो. लुको, लुको, राइटो. Rido, first of all, rido the problem. Rido the problem. Solvo. And then Marco. Marco the choice. रायटो म्हणजे रायता का. व्हेरी नाईस. ये राइटो का अगर यू किया बीच में तो रीतु होगा, है कि नहीं. राइट टीओ की जगह राइट टीयू किया तो रीतु होगा. और रीतु ये जानवी के सास का नाम है. रीतु ये जानवी के सास का नाम है. हो गया क्या तुमका? ये तुमका हो गया क्या? Take down one more question. Start. Take down one more question. Fit the Poisson distribution. Fit the Poisson distribution for the following data. Fit Poisson distribution. Fit the Poisson distribution to following data. To the following data. X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and above. 6 and above. Frequencies 8, 12, 15, 13, 9, 5, 0. Meanwhile, in Poisson distribution, x values go to infinity ना, तो 6 एंड अबव लिखना पड़ेगा, फिर उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 0 है. बट नाउ अभी फिट करना है तो कैसे फिट करेंगे? कैसे फिट करेंगे? तर मीन ऑफ पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, mean of Poisson distribution is nothing but m. Mean of Poisson distribution is nothing but m, and therefore this m is equal to summation fx over capital N. लो मीन निकाला तो यही m हो गया, मीन निकाला तो फिर यही m हो गया, and that is fitting. So fitting the Poisson distribution means to find the value of m. यहाँ लिखो to fit Poisson distribution. To fit the Poisson distribution means to find m, means to find the value of m. तो ये हो गया. करो कॉलम्स करो, x f, take total, first take a product and take totals. This is summation f, this is summation fx. जो आएगा वो आंसर होएगा, जो आएगा वो आंसर होएगा. एक बार ये फ्रीक्वेंसी 0 हो गई तो आगे भी वो 0 ही होगी ना. यहाँ दिया है ना 6 एंड अबव 0 है, 6 एंड अबव की फ्रीक्वेंसी 0 है, ये दिया है ना. हमको समझने का कहाँ प्रॉब्लम है, उन्होंने दिया है. There's no assumption, they have given it. तो कितना आया? m comes to be 2.29. That's it. This m is equal to 2.29. That is answer. Approximately also you can say that this is 2.3. अभी it depends on the choice ना, जैसे choice दिया है वैसे लिखना पड़ेगा. ये तुमका हो गया है क्या लिख के? Questions are easy. Figures can change, but the procedure will never change. Whatever is the figure, procedure remains same. हो गया है क्या तुमका? तुमका हो गया है क्या? अभी तुम जरा मेरे तरफ देखो, तुम जरा मेरे तरफ देखो. Tell me, in binomial distribution, x values are what? In the binomial distribution, x values are what? 0, 1, 2, 3, up till n. In Poisson distribution, x values can be what? In Poisson distribution, x values can be what? It's again 0, 1, 2, 3, up till infinity. So in both of these distributions, x values are the specific values. X values are the specific values in the sense cannot be the fractions in between. Cannot be the fractional values in between. Correct. 0 is possible. 1 is possible. But 0.1 is not possible. So when x can take the particular values we have already seen, that therefore these distributions are the discrete distributions. So these distributions are the discrete distributions. Discrete means specific values. These are the discrete distributions. Means the specific values are there. But remember, in normal distribution, that is the third and last distribution in our on our agenda. In normal distribution, in the normal distribution, x can denote height, it can denote weight, it can denote maybe length, it can denote quantity of liquid, it can be the quantity of liquid, it can be percentage marks, it can be income. So try to understand in all these cases what is happening is, in all these cases what is happening, for example, in case of height of human being, in case of height of human being, in case of the height of human being, you have to specify an interval that it can be somewhere between 4 feet to 7 feet. It can be any fraction in between. 4 feet to 7 feet. In this range, it can be any fractional value. So x value can be any fractional value in the given interval. So when x can take any fractional value, x can take any real number. Any real number can be fractional number in the given interval. In the given interval, x value can be any value in the given interval. Therefore, normal distribution is a continuous distribution. Normal distribution is a continuous distribution. It is a continuous distribution. Normal distribution is the continuous distribution. So always remember, if specific values are given, if the specific values are given, then it is discrete. Then it is discrete. And if range is given, interval is given, then it is continuous. Then it is continuous. बाळांनो, इसको समझने की कोशिश करो. इसको तुम समझने की कोशिश करो. इसको तुम समझने की कोशिश करो. इसको लिखो, ये सब थ्योरी इसको लिखो. That binomial and Poisson are the discrete distributions, whereas normal is the continuous distribution. And what are the examples of normal distribution? Could be height, could be weight, could be percentage marks, could be income. When you have to specify an interval, it can be any value in the given interval. That time we say that it is a continuous distribution. Please understand this properly. ये तुमको समझा है क्या बाळांनो? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? ये तुमको समझा है क्या? तो फिर एक नोट लिखो. तो फिर यहां एक नोट लिखो और फिर लिखो यहां नोट्स. यहां तुम नोट्स को लिखो. Write down the notes over here. Write the notes over here. Come on. Write down. The binomial distribution. Very well. Write down the note. Binomial distribution. The binomial distribution is biparametric. Biparametric. Discrete distribution. Discrete distribution. And the two parameters are n and p. The two parameters are n and p. The two parameters being n and p. Whereas Poisson distribution is the uniparametric discrete distribution. Poisson distribution is a uniparametric discrete distribution, and the one parameter is m. The one parameter is m. The one parameter is m. And then यहाँ लिखो, then यहाँ तुम लिखो कि normal distribution is the continuous distribution. अभी बायपैरामेट्रिक है या यूनिपैरामेट्रिक है, that we shall see later on. सिर्फ इतना अभी मेंशन करो कि नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, यहां सिर्फ मेंशन करो that normal distribution is a continuous distribution. Is a continuous distribution. सिर्फ इतना मेंशन करो, बस हो गया. फिर uniparametric, biparametric, on this we should see tomorrow. Normal distribution will be the last part of this chapter, last part of the discussion. Okay, हम क्या करते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन का के लेक्चर्स अपलोड करते हैं. तुम एक बार वो सुनो, तो फिर जब हम करेंगे तो तुमको समझेगा. इंटीग्रेशन की लेक्चर्स आई विल अपलोड टुडे. एक बार उनको समझो, समझ मीन सुनो, and then you can understand it better. That will be the end of the syllabus. Clear? Your normal distribution खत्म करेंगे. Meanwhile, I will upload the integration कीजिए, and then we'll do the revision. Okay? Okay. Coding, decoding, you can solve the problems, Ishika. There is nothing difficult in that. There is no rule as such. There is no procedure as such. It just is a matter of identifying the word or number. पूरा इकोनॉमिक्स हम पढ़ा सकते हैं. अजिंक्य एक चैप्टर क्यों.